General Conference is a representative body of clergy and laity from United Methodist churches around the world that meets every 4 years to shape the life and work of our denomination. This year's General Conference was particularly productive and resulted in a lot of changes that will help shape the future of United Methodism.
Many of the actions taken at General Conference reflect that United Methodism is truly a global denomination, with churches especially found throughout the United States, Central Africa, Eastern Europe, and the Philippines. One of the largest sets of decisions is called regionalization, and it will divide the denomination into regions, all sharing doctrine and theology, but allowing each area of the world to shape the administration and logistics of their ministry according to their context. Each region will have more flexibility to manage church life while still remaining united in ministry and mission to the world.
All regions will share a fully revised social principles. These statements help guide United Methodists in thinking about how our faith is lived out in the world. They have been likewise rewritten to take into account our international church and to come into the 21st century with its contemporary concerns.
As part of that revision, General Conference removed all restrictive language related to LGBTQ people. There are no more restrictions about the ordination or appointment of gay clergy, but they will instead be considered based on their gifts and graces as others are. Similarly, clergy will now choose freely whom they will perform weddings, including same-sex couples. As a reconciling ministry church, Highland has committed to supporting the ordination of LGBTQ+ persons and allowing clergy to perform same-sex marriages. Now, the United Methodist Church has opened the doors for us to live in that without penalty.
There are many other changes that were approved, some which we may recognize in the local church and others that may not directly impact Highland for the time being. We will see a reduction in what we are asked to pay in apportionments, those funds that help support shared ministry within the United Methodist Church. Beginning in January, our deacons will be able to preside at Holy Communion and baptisms when called upon to do so. And the list goes on.
If you'd like to learn more about the General Conference decisions, there are good summaries available on our conference website. You are invited to join folks from Highland for a dinner and discussion on Sunday, June 9th at 5:30 p.m. We'll share a potluck supper in Bradley Hall and then have time to dig deeper into the work done at General Conference and what it will mean for our church going forward.
We are grateful for the good work done at General Conference and hopeful about a bright future for the United Methodist Church.